Today we're making Hoppin John, and if you've ever lived in the South or you're familiar with African American foodways, you've probably heard of this classic New Year's dish. It's economical, it's super healthy, and it's delicious. As you can see, I've already prepared the black-eyed peas and the rice. So right now, I'm simply going to saute the collard greens. I usually take the center stalk out. It can be a little tough, and you know, the leaves are really what we're after here anyway. Stack up my collards like this, and then just slice them like this across. And this will make nice bite-sized pieces. So now we're going to cook our onions, and I'm using a non-stick pan, medium-high heat, because we're going to do, as I said, a wet saute, and that's why I have this broth here ready. This is a vegetable broth. Okay. Let's saute our onions now that we've got them in the pan, and the pan is turned up to medium-high. And if you think that they're going to start sticking to the pan, just add a few little splashes of your broth, or even water will work. We don't necessarily want to steam them, but we just want to keep them from sticking. We'll saute these onions for 2 to 3 minutes. When they start to become translucent, we'll add the garlic. Now, I believe in salting as I go. A little bit of salt here and there, and we develop layers of flavor. And you can see that they're starting to soften up already. Give them another minute or two. You can flavor collard greens a number of different ways. They fit in with any number of different cuisines. I like the West African spice blends. Now, I'm going to add the rest of this broth. I want to bring it up to almost a boil. Then I'm going to reduce the heat to a simmer and add a lid. Please serve this in a bowl with the rice and the beans, and you've got a complete meal with loads of nutrition and a ton of flavor. Okay, I'm reducing the heat here to just a simmer. I'm going to add the lid, and let's let it cook for about 15-20 minutes. Make sure you check occasionally to see that your liquid levels are sufficient, that it's not drying out. And this is going to be a meal that will be even better the next day.